This is breaking news.
Prince Harry's visa battle reaches crunch date as decision about application looms. The long-running issue of whether the Duke of Sussex application should be made public will reach a milestone today. Prince Harry's ongoing US visa application battle reaches an important deadline today. The long-running issue of whether the Duke of Sussex application should be made public will reach a milestone today, as it's reported that some of the sealed documents could be released. A judge said earlier this month that he might allow the release from Harry's application. The lengthy legal fight has been ongoing since Washington, D.C. think tank, the Heritage Foundation, questioned why the Duke was allowed into the U.S. in 2020, as reports The Mirror. The questions over Harry's application arose following comments he made in his tell-all memoir Spare, in which he admitted he'd taken cocaine, marijuana, and psychedelic mushrooms in the past. And it's been argued that the royal has been given preferential treatment by the Biden administration, or that Harry could have lied on the forms. Judge Carl Nichols told a hearing in Washington, D.C. a few weeks back that he was keen for maximum disclosure, as long as it doesn't violate privacy. Today, February 20, was the date he set for the government in the U.S. to state which legal documents, if any, can be disclosed. This, according to The Mirror, could pave the way for documents to be released. The judge said previously the court will determine what portions of those materials can be produced to Heritage after the deadline. The usual process of U.S. visa applications sees people being asked about current and past drug use. This can have a major impact on the result of the application, as regular drug users can be refused entry. However, immigration officers use their discretion against a range of factors. There have been concerns in Harry and wife Meghan Markle's camp that Donald Trump's successful re-election could mean that the pair could face a bigger challenge as they build a new life in the U.S. than they would have under the Biden administration. Earlier this month, Trump publicly spoke out about the case, saying he would not deport Harry. But in a brutal dig at Meghan, he went on, "I'll leave him alone. He's got enough problems with his wife. She's terrible."